Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. April 7th, 2026. Today's important news includes Hollywood assistants secretly use creative AI, China's massive decentralized AI education experiment, OpenAI and Anthropic prepare for IPOs, Netflix launches AI scene reconstruction tool, Google launches offline AI dictation app. Now, let's start the main text. 1. Arcee AI launches open source Trinity Large Thinking model. Arcee AI has officially released Trinity Large Thinking, a 399 billion parameter open source model designed to provide U.S. enterprises with a powerful, domestically trained alternative to closed source systems. This reasoning-optimized model utilizes a sparse mixture of experts' architecture to deliver high-speed performance at a cost significantly lower than leading frontier models. It aims to support regulated industries by offering a fully auditable and customizable AI solution that ensures complete data sovereignty. 2. Hollywood assistants secretly use AI despite job security fears. Hollywood assistants are increasingly relying on generative AI tools like ChatGPT for script coverage and administrative tasks, even as they fear these systems may eventually replace them. While recent industry strikes established rules for studios and creators, support staff currently operate in a policy gray zone without clear protections or formal training on AI compliance. These workers describe AI as a force crutch that allows them to maintain efficiency in high-pressure environments despite the long-term threat to their roles. 3. China's large-scale AI education experiment. China is aggressively integrating AI into its K-12 education system to reduce teacher workloads, address rural teacher shortages, and implement large-scale student monitoring. Alongside official government initiatives, decentralized tools like ByteDance Doubao have seen explosive adoption among students, effectively providing millions with a free personal AI tutor. However, the experiment faces significant criticism regarding student privacy, the ethics of facial recognition in classrooms, and the potential for widening the digital divide. 4. OpenAI and Anthropic rush toward 2026 IPOs. OpenAI and Anthropic are both preparing for potentially record-breaking IPOs in late 2026 while facing staggering capital expenditures for compute resources. Internal financial projections reveal that OpenAI could spend up to $121 billion on compute by 2028, whereas Anthropic aims for earlier profitability by maintaining a more controlled cash burn rate. While investors are eager for these super IPOs to provide a rare exit window, the market remains wary of the high valuation and extreme loss financial structures inherent in the AI race. 5. Netflix introduces internal AI video editing tool. Netflix has launched a proprietary AI video editor that allows creators to semantically restructure scenes, such as swapping actors or changing environmental conditions, without physical reshoots. Unlike simple pixel patching tools, this multimodal model understands scene physics and logic to generate consistent new footage that integrates directly into professional post-production pipelines. This technology signals a shift in power towards streaming platforms and post-production teams, raising concerns about labor rights and the future of traditional filmmaking. 6. Alibaba's Accio AI tool for small online sellers. Alibaba's new AI tool, Accio, is revolutionizing e-commerce by compressing the product selection and supplier sourcing process from weeks into just hours for small businesses. By leveraging real-time transaction and search data, the tool identifies market gaps and suggests specific product improvements based on consumer pain points. While Accio significantly lowers the barrier to entry for entrepreneurs, experts suggest that long-term competitiveness still depends on branding and services that AI cannot fully replicate. 7. Strategic acquisitions by Anthropic and OpenAI. Anthropic has acquired biotech startup Coefficient Bio for $400 million to deepen its expertise in protein design and drug discovery workflows. Simultaneously, OpenAI acquired the business talk show TBPN to build a proprietary media platform and exert more control over the public narrative surrounding AI. These moves highlight a diverging strategy, where Anthropic focuses on deep vertical domain expertise while OpenAI prioritizes cultural influence and narrative infrastructure. 8. Google launches offline-first AI dictation app for iOS. Google has quietly released Google AI Edge Eloquent, a free, offline-first iOS application that uses local AI models for voice transcription and text refinement. The app utilizes the lightweight Gemma model to perform real-time transcription and remove filler words entirely on the device to prioritize user privacy. This launch is viewed as a strategic move to challenge subscription-based competitors and demonstrate Google's on-device AI capabilities within the Apple ecosystem. 9. Google releases Gemma 4 open-source model family. Google has introduced Gemma 4, a new family of open-source models ranging from 2B to 31B parameters that emphasize high intelligence density and agentic capabilities. These models native support multimodal inputs, long context windows up to 256K, and complex function calling for building autonomous AI workflows. By switching to an Apache 2.0 license, Google aims to provide a robust foundation for digital sovereignty, allowing developers to deploy frontier-level AI on their own hardware.
10.
Israeli startup Q-Factor targets million-qubit quantum AI. Israeli startup Q-Factor has emerged from stealth with $24 million in seed funding to build scalable quantum computers using neutral atom architecture. The company's elite founding team of physicists aims to overcome current hardware bottlenecks by reaching the million-qubit threshold essential for commercial viability. This project is considered a flagship initiative within Israel's growing deep tech ecosystem and represents a major push toward a Moore's Law trajectory for quantum computing. 11. Redefining the impact of AI on jobs through price elasticity. New economic analysis suggests that price elasticity of demand is the most critical metric for understanding whether AI will eliminate or expand specific job categories. If AI-driven cost reductions trigger massive new demand for a service, the technology is likely to reshape and grow jobs through human-AI collaboration rather than simple replacement. Experts are calling for a systematic data initiative to track real-world employment shifts and provide more reliable guidance for policy and career planning.
12.
Critique of current AI benchmarks and the need for new frameworks. Academic experts are warning that current AI benchmarks are broken because they fail to capture how models perform in complex, real-world team environments. A new framework called HAIC is proposed to evaluate human-AI collaboration within specific contexts, prioritizing long-term system-level outcomes over static accuracy scores. This shift is necessary to bridge the gap between impressive laboratory scores and the practical disillusionment often found during actual industry deployments. 13. Intel's Arc Pro chip series challenges NVIDIA's dominance. Intel is positioning its Arc Pro B-series GPUs as versatile, high VRAM alternatives for AI workstations, targeting the market currently dominated by NVIDIA. The flagship B70 model offers 32 gigabytes of memory and high-performance inference capabilities at a price point significantly lower than its competitors. By integrating these GPUs with Xeon processors and open software stacks, Intel aims to provide a cost-effective local AI solution that reduces corporate reliance on expensive cloud infrastructure. 14. Palantir and Anduril advance offline AI for extreme environments. Palantir and Anduril are leading the development of offline AI systems that can perform critical target recognition and decision-making without any cloud connectivity. These technologies are essential for high-risk defense and maritime scenarios where network access is frequently unstable or intentionally suppressed. This trend signifies a broader industry shift toward hybrid AI architectures that prioritize local resilience and autonomy over centralized cloud dependence.